Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today I have a new product to show you for my Tesla Model Y. And this product is for the Model Y, but also for the Model 3. So my model is a 22. Okay, it's the carbon fiber parts for the steering wheel. See the top and the bottom. So pretty easy, simple video. This is hard to film because this is extremely glossy, the package. Maybe if I hold it like this. Okay, what do we see here? It says carbon fiber, no, it says carbon steering wheel sticker for Model 3 and Y. And you get it in these colors. You get in matte black, you get in glossy black, carbon fiber marble, red or blue. So, and it's designed by Tparts, and yeah. There's the. I'll put the information in the description from Tparts, so you can look it up for yourself on their website. I have the other parts from Tparts, like the mirror caps and the spoiler. And if you're interested in that, please look up my videos. And I also have the interior console covers in real carbon fiber. See what we have here. Let's make this not too long, because I know you guys don't like those videos that are super long. Okay, here is one of them. I believe that's for the right hand side. And let's see, here's the number 2. And that's for the left side. And this here, if I get it out, should be for the bottom of the steering wheel. And of course, if you have a yoke in your Tesla, this does not work, but you know that. And I can't get that out. It is typical. There we go, I got it. Okay, so yeah, it's the same quality than the other carbon fiber parts. It feels good, it looks good. I'm gonna start with this part here. And what you have to do, you have to prep your plastic piece with alcohol. I used my own alcohol because I forgot that they sent this. So use your own alcohol or use the alcohol pad that Tparts sends you. So it's pretty good stuff. Important to do that, all right? So then you remove the tape here. And then you go in the car and put it on. And I'm going to do that right now. I'm warning you, I may have to put the camera down in the vehicle while I do it, so that I don't mess it up. Okay, so let's together walk to the vehicle and let's put that in. All right, let's get there. Here we go. Getting in here, and this is all familiar for you if you have seen my channel. You know the vehicle. Speaking of it, here, these are the parts from Tparts that I put in before. It's real carbon fiber, and it does look and feel very, very good. I really like it. I apologize, the lights are not ideal in here. And now we have pretty bad weather outside. I just can't get to anything. It's just not working to do it outside. So we'll have to deal. I think you'll get the picture of it and you'll know what it will look like. Okay, let's hold it on top of it. See, always make sure that you adjust it right, because now that would have been crooked. That's why I need 2 hands. But look, this is what it will look like. Doesn't that look good? I think that looks really good. Okay, let me put that camera down, because I want to put that on and have my 2 hands. See, even to peel this off, I need my 2 hands so nothing happens, like the part falling on my jeans and getting stuck to it and ruining it. Because this time it does not come with extra glue. Last time it came with extra glue, this time it did not. So let me be careful here and do the right thing. I'm gonna put you right here, and then you can see what I am doing. Okay, I'll peel that off. And if you want to buy any parts from Tparts, go on their website and put my coupon code in. And I put the coupon code in the description, and I put it in the subtitles right now. And you can also use my referral code, so then you get 10% off and I get a little bit from Tparts on the sale. Okay guys, I'll put that on. Let me focus here. Man, I wish the light would be better here. It is terrible in here. Let's see. Light is terrible in the garage here. Yeah, don't do this if you're really tired or in a bad mood or drunk or both or a combination of all. And don't drive while you are doing it either. Here, look at that. That was really easy to put on. Just have to get underneath this a little bit to push it on so the glue sticks. If you push too hard, you'll honk. Nope, you're not honking. Yes, you're honking. By the way, my horn didn't work the real way it should. I think one of the dual horns is broken, but now it sounded good though, so I'll have to look into that. Okay, enough talk. What do you think? Does that look good? Let's go get the other parts. The garbage, leave the garbage there for a moment. Okay, here we go, and I'll swing back in here. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I haven't cleaned this yet, so I'm not gonna put it in right now. I'll put it on so you guys see what it looks like. I'll put it right on here. Of course it doesn't stay on. Oh man. Okay, this is what it looks like. Yeah, looks good. This will be, of course, will be flat. That will be glued on because I didn't clean that yet. And this one here fits really good too. Look at that. Fits exactly in there, and it fits right in here. And this is what this will look like. And I think that will be really, really nice. Okay, the reason I have not done that yet, two reasons. Number one is I haven't cleaned that yet. Number two is I want to keep those videos short and sweet because I notice if the videos are too long, people don't like to watch. So if you like this carbon fiber here, or my spoiler right there, or the mirror caps, go check out Tparts website and yeah, buy the products if you like them. I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like my video, and come back for more. I'll have more products soon. Have a wonderful evening.